from 6th standard. Today my project is simplification of integers. What is meant by integers? Positive numbers, negative numbers including with 0. This is called integers. Now I will call up plus. Where is plus? I am plus. Now I will call up minus. Where is minus? Hi, I am minus. Question is plus 6 minus 4. Plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, plus 6. I have plus 6. Now minus. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. I have minus 4. Now the question is plus 4 minus 4. Now the question is plus 6 minus 4. Plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. 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 I have nothing. Plus 1 plus 2. I have plus 2. Plus 6 minus 4 equal to plus 2. Next question is minus 4 plus 2. Plus 1 plus 2. I have plus 2. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. I have minus 4. Now the question is minus 4 plus 2. Plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. Plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. I have nothing. Minus 1 minus 2. I have minus 2. Now the answer is minus 2. Minus 4 plus 2 equal to minus 2. Now the next question is plus 4 minus 4. Plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. 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 I have nothing. I have nothing. Now the answer is 0. Plus 4 minus 4 equal to 0. Nothing but addition. Minus 2 adds 4 times. Now the question is minus 2 minus 4. Minus 1 minus 2. Minus 3 minus 4. 6. Minus 5 minus 6. Minus 7 minus 8. Minus 8. Answer is plus 8. Minus 2 into minus 4 equal to plus 8.